Have you ever had a gut feeling? Or felt butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous?
That's not just poetry. It's real, live science. Your gut is in a constant... This superhighway is called the gut-brain axis, and the messages sent here directly calm. Your gut has its own independent nervous system, called the enteric system. It's so complex, it contains over 100 million nerve cells. That's more than your spinal cord.
But it doesn't just handle digestion. It's constantly sensing and feeling, sending critical data.
Now, let's talk chemicals. Serotonin, the famous happiness molecule. Over 90% of it is made here. Your gut bacteria are the essential factory workers. They help your gut cells transform food, especially tryptophan.
This is a direct biological link. An imbalanced gut can literally mean lower levels of your primary feel-good chemical. So how do these messages travel? Meet the vagus nerve. It's the main data cable connecting your gut and brain. It's not one way. It sends signals UP about gut inflammation, nutrient status, and bacterial health.
When you're chronically stressed, the brain sends constant danger signals down the vagus nerve.
The good news? You can manually tone this nerve. Deep.
Now, the biggest disruptor? Inflammation. An unhealthy gut often has a leaky lining. Your immune system attacks these invaders, creating widespread, low-grade inflammation. These inflammatory chemicals can cross into the brain.
The ancient idea of a gut feeling is now validated by cutting-edge science, revealing that your digestive system is in constant, bidirectional communication with your brain through a network called the gut-brain axis. This connection isn't metaphorical. It's a physical and biochemical highway comprised of your enteric nervous system, a complex web of over 100 million nerve cells lining your gut, often called the second brain, and the vagus nerve. The primary information superhighway carrying signals between your abdomen and your brain. Critically, your gut microbiota, the ecosystem of trillions of bacteria residing in your intestines, plays the leading role in this dialogue. These microbes produce a vast array of neuroactive substances, including an estimated 90% of your body's serotonin, the crucial neurotransmitter traditionally associated with happiness and well-being, alongside others like GABA for calm and dopamine for reward. Furthermore, a balanced microbiome helps maintain the integrity of your gut lining. When this barrier becomes permeable, often due to poor diet, chronic stress, or antibiotics, it can trigger systemic inflammation. This inflammation releases cytokines, immune molecules that can cross into the brain, interfere with neurotransmitter function, and have been strongly linked in research to symptoms of depression and anxiety. Conversely, a diverse, healthy gut microbiome, fed by dietary fibers known as prebiotics, produces beneficial short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which reduce inflammation, strengthen the gut barrier, and may even promote neurogenesis. Therefore, the state of your gut directly influences your emotional and cognitive state. A balanced microbiome supports the production of calming chemicals, modulates stress responses via the vagus nerve, and dampens inflammatory signals, while a dysbiotic one can do the opposite. This forms the basis of nutritional psychiatry, an emerging field that positions diet as a fundamental tool for mental health. The actionable conclusion is that you can actively cultivate a mood-supporting gut by prioritizing a diverse, plant-rich diet full of prebiotic fibers and fermented probiotic foods, managing stress through practices like meditation that enhance vagal tone, ensuring quality sleep, and avoiding unnecessary antibiotics. Every meal is an opportunity to feed the microbiota that, in turn, helps regulate your mind, proving that nurturing your gut is one of the most profound steps you can take for emotional resilience and mental clarity.